Make yourself at home with Chester's most popular student accommodation. Tramways Chester, located in the city center, offers a variety of spacious and modern studios and en suites to choose from. All of the rooms are fully furnished and come with a wardrobe, study desk, and a double bed. One of the most popular features that Tramways offer is dual occupancy at no additional charge. High-quality amenities include on-site staff who are available 24 hours a day to assist you during your stay. Facilities such as on-site laundry, 24-hour security, and bike storage will make your stay absolutely hassle-free. Tramways has a serene ambience that is ideal for anyone looking for a quiet place away from the crowd. Take a breather from assignments and catch up with friends at the Communal Lounge, where you can play games or enjoy the beautiful outdoor gardens soaking in the sun. Find several great restaurants like the Yard Chester and bars like Corner House located in close proximity to the property. Don't miss out on a chance to live at Tramways. Hurry and book this place on amberstudent.com.